But you are the king. You are the king.
Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who did now who they use, now who they calavant. Hello my beautiful Nigeria, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. You guys know I love to join the good side, not wear crowds. Follow. I dislike it. May God have mercy on many of our youth. May God have mercy on many people who see where crowds they go, they run follow there. NairaMarley don't finally come aside. NairaMarley, he don't see NairaMarley, interview him, and NairaMarley try to bring some evidence when this guy shout out, when many of our social media people, just because of revenue. Some of us, can we ever put ourselves in people's shoe? What about this thing is happening to me or my English, somebody close to me? How you will take it? So NairaMarley conversation with the Mohbad when he passed on to glory, and also with NairaMarley. Let's listen to him before.
So, you said you're not okay. We're still checking doctor, waiting for doctor scan. If you're not better, we'll go back to doctor again. Do you get? All right, sir. But you are the king. You are the king. You are the king of your own word, not me. I don't control your word. You are no more. You're free. You're the king of your own word, which means I want you to be a king around yourself too. So on that day, I like that. I want anybody to stress it. I want to come back for tell them no. You are the king. I'm suffering with you. The last time I went to the church, I'm going to go down so quick. You know, I'm can you ever ask me they like you because if you don't pay me, she won't talk about it. Say they like you. You in the church on this other? No, but in the part I mean, somebody. I'm going to let Danny. When is it cut off? Huh? I'm going to let different things. Then I want different people like. I'm going to say that's why you go see church in my life worship prayer because me I don't really like to hear. If I go to anywhere now, they must feel like we're unique. Yes. So that's why everything has been helping me like that. I just need somebody to trust my word. Yeah, but who can you can trust your word though? You say you need somebody, pick somebody that you can speak to. Pick somebody. If you can't speak to your girl, you don't need them around. You can't speak to your dad. Oh, need them. So I do give me one every day. Me. You meet different girls into the basket or bounce or mingle. You don't want you're gonna help your stress. So yeah, if you don't have no one to talk to, sometimes it might be strangers you want to talk to, sometimes it might be someone you know. So it's your godmother Jacob money, king in here. So yeah, Oba them was son got to Feni. Got to Felu my soul. Oh, you're not gonna make decision but you're not gonna make decision here. If not the stuff last time I just saw nothing to one to
the copyright belongs to him, not to you, correct? Yeah. So the only times that you guys had together was between the time you signed him, which was what year?
2019. My hottest year. I signed him. My hottest year, 2019, December.
Okay. December, so 2019 to 2022, you signed him, you recorded him, and then after that he left. So you are not making money from his new music. Those accusations are not true, correct?
I'm not making money from his new music that he's dropping as Amalia music. No, we were not stopping him from dropping music. When he left, it was gone. Amalia music.
Okay, you see, we live in, would I say, a time when a lot of our people, especially in Nigeria, can be, would I say, they can easily believe stories because we've heard people who have said that our former president, indeed past president, General Muhammadu Buhari, he died and was replaced by a clone named Jibril from Sudan. And so, it's very easy for people to believe all of these things. So now we've known by the lots of critics, you weren't even in Nigeria. And
it's a lie, everything. There's a reason why, there's a reason why a lot of people probably trying to blame me for their own reason. I don't know why. But everybody can see it's a lie. Like something happened to him on the day he was out. Why there people are trying to cover up some things? Like I said,
Aziz, you cannot say that everybody knows it's a lie. A lot of people are blaming you. In case you don't know, you've lost hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram. So we need to clear the air. We need to clear the air with the truth.
That's true. That the losing followers is not like anything to me right now. Like Mohbad is late. It's not here anymore. That's a lot. That's more than I'd rather lose all my followers and have him here. Understand? My followers is not. That's a very small thing in this situation. It's very, very small. But is really, really important, and I believe the Nigerian police are doing their job. I mean, the government agency they're doing their job, and the truth is gonna come out.
one thing has already come out. When you say the truth is going to come out, I mean, we've already begun to see some
the whole truth is come out.
No, but we've already begun to see some truth coming out. The hospital, or I mean, I don't know if you could call it a hospital, let's say the clinic or the medical facility that he was taken to, they said that he was brought in dead on arrival. But we do know that one of the young men around him, let's say essentially a groupie, had said that he spoke with him while he was at the clinic and that he talked with him and he took a photo with him. But then this actually contradicts the story from the medical facility that he was brought in dead. Another thing that we do know is that the auxiliary nurse who actually injected him has been repudiated by the Nursing Council of Nigeria, saying that she wasn't registered. Essentially, she was a quack. So we're beginning to see some of these things come to light, and I think in the coming days, the opinion of the public might change. My question to you, Aziz, additional, Fashola, is this: are you willing to go back to Nigeria if the Nigerian police wants to question you?
100%. I can guarantee my safety.
Okay.
Yes. There's a lot of hungry mom that don't really want to know the truth. They've been poisoned by the media, so if they can guarantee my safety, I'll be there.
That's a very reasonable.
Nigerians, I hope you guys hear. I hope. Who is accusing NairaMarley? He buy Mohbad. No be Mohbad, na they call her. He buy am. I hope na here he say he go Nigeria if they guarantee his safety. He don't know white people just carry this matter like say we should be very careful. Wait till you know say they no do you, not do another person. And we should still pray. May our goods not put us in problem. I remember the very day this guy, Meme, passed on. Somebody interviewed his father. His father said, not NairaMarley. Nobody kill his son. Nobody kill his son. His father know wetin his son they pass through. He said he visit his son 3 days ago. They eat together. You guys not follow the right thing. We're not supposed to trend with you. But now just to break somebody down. I don't know why my country people not like those things. Just to break somebody down. You guys are chef, baba, mama inside. Those which people who look onto, like say, oh, this person, the moment he speak, the moment she speak, oh, people, they understand. Those are the people that will start backing. They will start, talking out of trap. Time of election, the way this man talk, come and see them. They be like Chihuahua. And those people, they are graduates. Many of them, they are learned people. You see, that's why I always say, not be by go school. This sense now gift from God. You go school, you go acquire knowledge. Go acquire knowledge, but where is your wisdom? Where is your understanding to understand your fellow human being? Somebody who helps somebody. Now they are not together. If this guy is passing through, it's NairaMarley that we always call. NairaMarley will try to put him. Thank God for recording. Thank God NairaMarley records some things. Now, Nigeria, angry youths, lazy youths. I call you guys lazy youths. Because what you don't want people to do you, don't do anybody. He said you guys should go with your, yeye follower. Is it follower will bring his friend back? If your following me can't bring that guy back. He broke his heart. But he can't, thank God NairaMarley let him go. Imagine, this guy is not with NairaMarley. Look what the lazy youth, or the name of view, revenue on social media. How wish this guy is under NairaMarley nose. In fact, by now, maybe they shall do a lot. Start looking at NairaMarley property, start destroy it. Some of those people who is doing those things, so some of them, they don't even help this guy when this guy need their help. This guy was under their nose, singing. They don't look at him. But just because the guy get little famous, people know him. The moment I carry this matter, I will get follower. I will get view. I will get revenue. Selfish interest. You are not fighting. You are not talking so that people will hear your sincerity. No. Big shame to all Nigerian musicians. Big shame to you guys. It can be you tomorrow. You try to help somebody and the thing now turn against you. Nobody come out to speak for you. It's a big shame to all the Nigerian musicians. No one come aside to defend this guy, to talk to Nigeria. All of them shut up. Shun. Who do donate, they donate, give the family. God bless you as you donate, give the family. But when you guys see the truth, you guys should try. Somebody. Those kind of people like NairaMarley, now, do you think we encourage him to help more people. Do you think the way we drag this guy, if he even have the mind to help, his people, his family will say, ah, remember the one you help? You see how come? You see? And there is a lot of Nigerian youth who need help. Who need help. Nobody is there to help them. If you have social media to encourage youth, to educate people who can't read and write. Stop following crowd. And you guys, the youth, I pity you guys. You guys, where Bele carry me go, where there is a lot of crowd on social media, that is where you guys follow. You guys don't care whether it's truth or whether it's lie. You guys can even see the truth just because those truths have little follower. But the majority one who is spreading the lie, Mohbad, NairaMarley, those are the people you guys will be rushed follow. They don't have mercy on you guys. My people, I just say let me a lot there. I will bring a lot when the time reach. Now this early morning, I need to do something. Yes, as I put my children for school, take my and I hear say NairaMarley say he go Nigeria if they guarantee him safety. Police see they investigate. But the main purpose of me doing this video is if NairaMarley really have hand. I hope now hear their conversation. Conversation NairaMarley with the guy. Now be the first one I play. Before NairaMarley interview NairaMarley. Now the two I just play together. I hope you guys see them. And police they investigate. NairaMarley say if they, he don't know why people they vote for him. I don't need to repeat them. Now hear about myself. Okay? Police they investigate. But for me, why NairaMarley would they after his life? Why NairaMarley want buy? Somebody who many children that will not born for this abroad or children when they carry from baby enter Europe, they are thinking they different. May I tell you guys the truth? They are thinking they different. If buy NairaMarley something, it take NairaMarley life. Which why NairaMarley want just buy him? I beg you. Don't she why they start growing the back like this thing? Now shame on you guys. My people, give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye.
You don't cast last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, is out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the dog, oh. I put my life into my job and